4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you wanted to switch to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, left. Pop, 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 pop. Then we did olive hips. Work like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure these are separate steps and not just glued to the floor. You could also switch from one side to the other. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Then we did boogie drop. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we just danced and put them together. First we kind of did each move for a while and then transitioned to the next one. But then we tried shrinking the time between the moves, messed around with those transitions, and it was very fun. Bye.